Hello again. Let us continue with the chapter. So, shape of the cells. So, you have seen that amoeba does not have a particular shape because of its pseudopodia. Pseudopodia changes its shape continuously. So, what might be the advantage of this? So, this change in shape helps amoeba to find food. Another type of cell which can change its shape in our body is called as a white blood cell, WBC. White blood cells are the first line of defense against any kind of infection in our body. These white blood cells, they kill the foreign cells. Now you will be amazed that our body recognizes its cell and the foreign cell. If a bacteria or virus comes inside, our body has a mechanism to identify the foreign cells and kill it with the help of white blood cells or white blood corpuscles. So, different cells have different type of shapes. They have given one picture in which there are different types of cells are shown. Spherical red blood cells, spindle shaped muscle cells, long branch nerve cells. Now nerve cells are present in the nervous system. There are many types of cells in our body. The shape depends on the type of function they carry out. So in the nerve cell, it is very long. If you see the nerve cell of a rat or elephant, both of them are long. Both of them carry information from one part of the body to the other part. There are dendrites, cyton, axon. These are the different parts of the nerve cell. So, components of the cell are enclosed in a membrane which separates the cell from the other parts of the body, other cells. So these membrane provide shape to the cell, to plants and animals. Cell wall is an additional covering in plants. So size of the cell. The size may be different. So we have seen that very small cells are also there. Mycoplasma, galliseptum, 0.1 micrometer, and very large cells are there, like we have ostrich egg, which is the largest among all the cells. You can take a hen's egg, boil it and cut it and see what is inside. You will see white color part, that is a protein called as albumin, and yellow color part, that's called as yolk. So one egg of hen is a cell. You can see what is inside easily by this experiment. Now, cell structure and function. So you have learned that each living organism has many organs. So many organs. So our body has different type of system, digestive system, and digestive system has organs in it. Organs in turn are made up of tissues. Tissues are a group of cells which have similar function. Structure and function is similar for tissue. Cells together, they form tissue. Many tissues together form organs, and organs together form the organism. Now cell membrane. The basic component of the cell are the cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. Cytoplasm and nucleus are enclosed within the cell membrane. It is also called as plasma membrane. Membrane separates the inside from the outside of the cell. So inside we have some substances in the cell, and outside we have other substances. There are pores inside, like we have door. In our house, there are some people, if they want to go out, they can go through the door. If people want to come inside the house, they can come in through the door. Same way, there are pores, P-O-R-E-S, pores in the cell membrane, which allows certain substances to come inside. We do not allow everybody to come inside. We can stop some people from entering. Same thing happens with the cell membrane. Cell membrane can allow certain substances and stop other substances. Now if you want to see the basic components of the cell, you can take an onion, take the inner part of the onion, a thin layer will be there, peel it off and put methylene blue in it and place it over a cover slip. Be very careful that no Air gaps should be there. Use a little bit of water, cover slip, a glass slide, and a microscope. With the help of microscope, look at this onion. You'll see that the cell membrane and nucleus is present. The outer boundary is the cell membrane. Besides cell membrane, there is cell wall which protects the cell from different conditions like temperature, wind, and other things, atmospheric moisture and all. So center we have a round body that is called as nucleus, jelly-like substances between the cell membrane and the nucleus that is called as cytoplasm. It is a storehouse of many things. Plants cannot move, so they need protection, and that protection is provided by cell wall. Each cell has a cell wall in plants. Now, can we observe animal cells? Yes, you can. You take a toothpick, scrape the inner part of the cheek, place it over a